Hey YouTube, welcome back. Happy Friday and happy Cinco de Mayo. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Apple iPhone 6 Plus LCD. Let's go ahead and get it started. Six or 6S Plus. Come with the instruction. So let's see. So this is the LCD that come with it. Hopefully it's not cracked. We'll just ship it just in a bubble wrap. And then the seller taped the tools on the side of it with this down double-sided tape. So include a guitar peg, double-sided tape in case you need it. Wow, even come with a SIM card tools. Let's check it out real quick. Although I got most of the tool that I need already. What's going on? It comes with the pentalobe screwdriver, suction cup. I think the double-sided tape got stuck in there. Holy cow, it's staple in there. So I gotta remove the staple in order to take it out. You see that little line? That is the metal staple. So anyway, come with the suction cup, SIM card tool, eject tool. This one kind of flimsy as a guitar peg. It feels like a real guitar peg. And then got one of the Phillips screwdriver, and then a pentalobe screwdriver, and then a plastic prying tool. So this is the iPhone 6 Plus, 6S Plus LCD. Hopefully it's not damaged because the flex cable, it doesn't seem that it's straight. At first I thought it was ripped. Anyway, so I will need to transfer the home button and then the camera and then the front facing camera and then the earpiece and then the proximity sensor. I will need to transfer everything back again. So before I do that, I'm gonna test out and then this LCD to make sure it works before I transfer all the parts into this this new one. All right, guys. So please give a thumbs up and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet. And then share, comment below. Turn on your notification. All right, guys. Sorry, my alarm went off. Turned out it stopped the recording. Anyway. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, alright? Happy Friday, Cinco de Mayo. Happy Friday, Cinco de Mayo. Peace out.